कशें आसा तुमी? बसला मरे मनीस रे कितें वयर काडना
हेलो
दिस इज टू फार यार
यस सर 6144 हाँ सर गोवा महाराष्ट्र से लुइजन फलेरो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस टीएमसी लीडर
साइलेंस प्लीज
हेलो
भाई बॉस कितने वर्ष आपको
सर पूरा आवर आता तू टीएमसी टिकेटी कधी तरी
आमचं वोट आहात
बाबू मशाय या प्लीज डू
माइक तरी द्या नाही माइक हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो
पयली सुवातेर तुमकां सगल्यांक येवकार आनी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आतांच आमी आमच्या एअरपोर्टासान हांगा आयिल्ले आहा आनी खूब आनंद आनी खुश भोगता की आमी तृणमूल काँग्रेस हे पक्षांत भितर सरले. म्हजे बरोबर म्हजे इश्ट जे ह्या पक्षांत भितर सरल्यात तुमकां खबर आसतली बाब एडवोकेट यातीश नायक, बाब लबू मामलेदार वा बाब विजय वसुदेव पै, बाब मारियो पिंटो दसताना, बाब आनंद नायक, बाब शिवदास नायक, बाब राजेंद्र काकोडकर, Antonio Monteiro Clóvis da Costa. सादी आमी चिंतलें ही जरी तर गोंय आमी प्रोटेक्ट करतले आनी पावल मारचें पडटलें. आज सांगपाक खूश भोगता ममता बनर्जी कडेन बॅट घेतली, तिका तिंगाचे लोक मोगान दिदी म्हणटात आनी तिकाय दिदी म्हणल्यार एकदम बरें दिसता. Humility, such simplicity, such की आपणूय एक टायमार आमच्या देशाची एक काँग्रेस वावुरपी आनी हे जेन्ना आनी ती सांगूंक लागली की देर इज नो हाय कमांड. Goans will be the high command. I will be a worker for the people of Goa. आणि आयज आमकां हें हिंगा दिश्टी पडटा. अनेक तिणें म्हाका सांगलें की BJP Pokshah, they attacked her. They used, abused, misused all their agencies. They had hundreds of meetings against Didi and Trinamool. They not only attacked her to the agencies, but they attacked her physically and tried to break her bones. But they could never break her spirit, indomitable, formidable spirit to fight for the state and to fight for the country. Today, I am really very, very grateful that the topmost senior leaders of the Trinamool are sitting over here. They had been in the state for the last many, many days. Even I had not met them. I am meeting them for the first time today. That is the eloquent testimony of how Trinamool Congress is working in the state of Bengal and in this country. They worked hard. I had asked them, why don't you sit here? They said, no. We are at the service of the people of Goa. We respect their unique identity, unique culture, unique ethos, the heritage, and the people of Goa. They said, you, people of Goa, have painstakingly preserved it, protected it, and kept it. We would like to respect it. And that is what Didi said. She said, even after they attacked me physically, I walk every day 20 kilometers. And she told me, when I come to Goa, I will walk with you and I will walk with the Goans. Everybody was so surprised, was so emotionally charged. Today I would like to acknowledge my colleagues and very senior leaders, not only in the Trinamool, but very senior leaders in the country. We have got Mr. Derek O'Brien, whom all of you know. He was a legendary TV quiz master. And for the last 17 years, he is with the Trinamool Congress. He is also Trinamool's parliamentary party leader in the Rajya Sabha. A member of All India Working Committee of the party. And a very charismatic person. I always admired you. And I'm so happy that I had a privilege and the honor of meeting you today. Mr. Sukendra Sekhar Roy is in the Trinamool Congress as a chief whip in the Rajya Sabha with 50 years of public life. He's also had been a congressman like me for 40 years. I'm also for 40 years now there. And he's here for the last so many days, working at the grassroots level. Who doesn't know Mr. Prasoon Banerjee? The football captain of this country and the football icon. 3-time Lok Sabha member of parliament. Arjuna award winner. and a real football icon. You see, we have got two common things. Goans love fish, Bengalis love fish. Goans love football and Bengalis love football. And privilege that you are here amidst us. One person here today is Mr. Manoj Tiwari, Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs. Percent of the population is below the age of 45. He's playing for Ranji Trophy, and I think the thing is going on down there. You have brought. I said, yes, we love football. I will get all the three. So, friends, let me say, grateful that your services for the people, true in our battle to win Goa from the clutches of these people who are trying to divide it. You have seen for the last 10 years. And I can tell you proudly, here is Didi to give us a reliable and formidable alternative. And we are getting charged, we are ready to defeat the BJP who is trying to have the culture of intolerance, culture of hatred, culture of vengeance, culture of vendetta. This is not my India, this is not our India, this is not Mahatma Gandhi's India. I would like to tell you that Goa Trinamool Congress is starting today. We have just started with a batch of few volunteers who are from all walks of life, from all religions, from all creed. But this is only a starting. Trinamool will be of Goa, by Goa and for Goa. You must have seen the message. Goinchi Novi Sakal. एक नवी चोडवड. ही चोडवड आम्ही जी सुरुवात करतात, ही चोडवड आखे गोंया प्रत्येक गोंयच्या पोंतांनी, उत्तर गोंय ते दक्षिण गोंय आम्ही वतले. We will go to the doorsteps of the people. Because people are the masters, we have to serve them. That was a slogan I had given earlier, and people understood it. We will try to find out what are the problems. लोकांचे प्रश्न, लोकांचे अडचण्यो, लोकांचे difficulties, लोकांचे popular aspirations. ही चळवळ जी आहा म्हज्या नदरेन महत्वाची. जुंय तरुण तरणाटे, जुंय महिला, जुंय जाणटे नेणटे, प्रत्येक मागांतले बागांतले धर्मांतले लोक, लोकांचे प्रश्न. आज व्हडल्यांतली व्हडले प्रश्न गोंयांत आमच्या तरणाट्यांक. तरणाटे शिकिल्ले बेकार आहात. Their names are rotting on the live register of employment exchange. There is no hope. There is no future. मुझेच मतदारसंघातले कितलेशे भुरगे इंजिनियर जाल्ले बेकार आहा, पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्ले बेकार आहा, ग्रॅज्युएट जाल्ले बेकार आहा. फाटले 10 वर्सांक तुम्ही कितें तरी गोंयांत सरकारी नोकरी मेळ्ळ्यो त्यो आयकले? फाटले 10 वर्सांक तुम्ही खंयचेय तरी उद्योग धंदो कितें तरी जाल तो ऐकला? Goa is on a total economic meltdown. Goa's economic indicators has come to the lowest. The unemployment has gone 45 years behind. Mining has been stopped. उद्योग बंद. अनेकदा आम्ही पळयत जाल्यार सवार प्रश्न. This government has made Goa the coal capital. गोंयांत कोळसो कोणी हाडलो? 11 million tons गोंयांत कोळसो कोणी परवानगी दिली? सुप्रीम कोर्ट म्हणटा की 35,000 crores of illegal loot has to be recovered. आमच्या सरकारान सुप्रीम कोर्टान affidavit घातला की we have already issued notices to recover 3,000 crores out of 35,000 crores. That was the affidavit. एक पैसो रिकवर केला. 35,000 crores म्हणजे उणी पैसे न्हू. आयज आमी पळयत जाल्यार आर्थीक परिस्थिती वायट जाल्ली आहा. We are in a debt trap. Government is taking loans not for the development to pay their salaries, to pay the interest on loans. We are not a poor state. We are one of the richest state in India and perhaps maybe one of the richest state in the world. Our mining resources are itself worth thousands and thousands and lakhs of crores of rupees. But why Goan should suffer? Should face such problems? Why our youth should loiter around with no hope? And therefore I have said, we will go every ward, every village, every taluka, every district, and you will see it within the next 2-3 weeks. काही लोक म्हणतात की गोंया बेंगालचे लोक येले म्हणून. I can tell you, yes, we have got people who are doing survey, but they are not from Bengal. They are from the IPAC group who are doing survey to find out what are the popular aspirations, what are the problems, what are the difficulties. They come from every nook and corner of India. They are the best of the best. And I hope that by the next 10 or 15 days, we will have the details so that we can prepare a roadmap, an action plan, so that we can work in every taluka, every constituency. We will have a manifesto in every constituency. But more important than that, after studying the matter, we will come with a charge sheet against this government, because our agenda is agenda against the BJP. We want to finish this divisive forces and a movement to remove this government, both at the state and the center. This movement will start from the sacred land of Goa, so that you will see a change. And that is the reason my journey from the west coast of India to go to the east coast of India to meet Didi. Because many people ask me, why you could not do it after being in the Congress party? I must tell you, the people of Goa had blessed us. Not once, twice. In 1999, as a PCC president, we got absolute majority. But is the Congress, if you have got friends in Congress, you don't need external enemies. Mrs. Gandhi asked me to go at the center. I was the General Secretary of the EICC, member of Congress Working Committee. I was in charge of the northeastern states. And God has been kind to some people. I am one of them. God showers most blessings, so they showered on me. We had, as in charge of the northeastern states, we brought twice Mizoram government for Congress, twice Meghalaya, twice Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, even when I was sent to Karnataka. But when I was called back here in 2017, I came reluctantly. We worked hard. We went to the people. We walked in every nook and corner. And people blessed us with the single largest, and that night we had absolute majority. But Congress party doesn't want to rule. That is the reason I thought we need a credible alternative. We need to show that Goa is alive and kicking as opposition. And I think today, the tallest leader in the country amongst the Congress family is Didi. She has shown us the way, and she has won against the Prime Minister's tirade in Bengal. I think he had nearly 200 meetings. Amit Shah had 200 meetings. But Didi has won against the divisive policies of the BJP government. So I thank you very much. I thank you for having been amidst us. I would like to request my colleague to say a few words.
नमस्कार. थोडो हांव TMCक कित्याक जॉइन जालो हेजे खातीर मातसो म्हाका फाटीं वचचो पडटा. 2012 एक BJP वेव आशिल्ली आनी 2012 21 आमदार दिवन गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जालो. तेजे नंतर 2017 इलेक्शन जालें तेन्ना मॅन्डेटूच नाशिल्ली. 13 आमदार आशिल्ले. पूण बाकीचे कोणाक घेवन लोकल पार्टी आनी कोण इंडिपेंडंट अशे घेवन सरकार केलो. आनी आय वॉज वॉर्निंग देम की तुमी काँग्रेसीक 6 सपोर्ट करा, कारण दॅट वॉज ए मेजर पार्टी. 17 नंबर आशिल्ले ते. पण तें जालें ना. I was impressed by the Didi's plan of action in Bengal. 2016 हांव वेस्ट बेंगालाक गेल्लो आनी तेन्ना इट वॉज इलेक्शन टायम. हावरा ब्रिज आसा थंयच हांव रावतालो. इन द इवनिंग आय जस्ट वॉकड आवट आनी ते लोकांक विचारलें हांवें मतां कोणाक आसतली तुमची. एवरीबडी सेड रस्त्यार धंदो करता एवरीबडी सेड हमारी दीदी तो हमको हमारे लिए काम करती है, हमारा वेलफेयर देखती है, तो वी विल वोट फॉर दीदी. आनी 2016 इलेक्शनाक परत ती मेजॉरिटी घेवन निवडून आयली. 2016 इलेक्शन आमी पळयलें ममता बॅनर्जी वेस्ट बेंगालाचे. परत ती 210 सीट घेवन निवडून आयली. अगेन्स्ट ऑल ऑड एक्शन्स बाय सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. कितल्योश्यो मिटिंग्यो BJPन घेतल्यो, बट दे कूड नॉट डिफीट ममता बॅनर्जी. काल एक अशें डिस्कशन जाता आसतना सहज एक प्रश्न येलो, 3 इलेक्शनां म्हणजे लास्ट 10 वर्सां बेंगालाक TMC बीजेपीक डिफीट करता आणि सेंटराक बीजेपी काँग्रेसीक डिफीट करता. हो एक पॉइंट आशिल्लो की शी इज व्हेरी बोल्ड. खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन ती माघार घेवची ना आणि शी विल फायट फॉर हर रायट आणि फायट फॉर कॉमन मॅन, डाऊन ट्रोडन मॅन. हे सगळें जर पळयत आय वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड. काल आमी सांजचे TMCक जॉईन जाले, तेजे नंतर म्हाका दिसता रातचे 1:30-2 पर्यंत म्हाका फोन येत आशिल्ले की दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू जॉईन TMC. That was a very impressive, I don't know what is the reason, पण सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आजची स्टेट 75% of the Goan population doesn't want BJP to rule. आणि त्या खातीर तांकां दिसता कितें की only TMC can give a good government in Goa. I was impressed. People are also getting impressed. Likewise, I am appealing to all Goans for a good government of the people of Goa. They should join TMC and make a big movement for joining TMC. And that we will do in few days. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You see, we have got people, senior, we have got young people who have got their own aspirations. I would like to request Advocate Yatish Naik to just tell us his experiences and also tell us what is your message to the young people who are looking for a bright future.
पहिल्या सुवातेर आमचे नॅशनल लिडर्स जे हांगा आयल्या तांकां येवकार, म्हजे कलिग्स सर फलेरो लवबाब आनी म्हजे कलिग्स आनी म्हजे प्रेसाच्या मित्रांनो, गोंय एक भिरांकूळ परिस्थितींतल्यान वता आनी हाचेर दुबाव ना. आनी ही भिरांकूळ परिस्थिती जी निर्माण जाल्या ती भाजप सरकारान केल्या. बेकारीचो मुद्दो घे, सुवेवस्था आणि कायदो जो हांगा कोसळ्ळा ताजो मुद्दो घे, मागीर गव्हर्नन्स जे कोलॅप्स जाला, इकॉनॉमिक मेल्टडाउन जो दिश्टी पडटा ते मुद्दे घे. बेसिकली गोंय रॉंग कारणा खातीर पेपरांचेर वाचूंक मेळटा, चॅनलांचेर नॅशनल पळोवंक मेळटा, रॉंग कारणां खातीर. खंय क्रायम जाली, खंय कोणाचो मर्डर जालो, खंय कोणाची रेप जाली, ह्या गोष्टी खातीर गोंय फामाद जावंक लागला. ही भिरांकूळ गोष्ट आणि हे आमकां जाग्यार घालचेच पडटलें. आता गोंयकार त्या खातीर त्रस्त आसा आणि जर हो बॅड पॅच जो चालू आसा ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाच्या संदर्भात तो जर खंय तरी आमी नश्ट करतले आणि बरो फुडार हाडटले जाल्यार लोक आमचे गोंयकार विकल्प सोदता, एक क्रेडिबल ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह सोदता. आणि कसलो विकल्प? ज्या विकल्पाकडे सरान सांगले त्या भशेन त्याच मुद्द्याचेर फुडें वता, ज्या विकल्पाक इच्छाशक्त आसा आणि ज्या विकल्पाक निर्धार आसा, भाजप सरकाराक घरा धाडटा. असो विकल्प आणि निर्धार आशिल्लो पक्ष तृणमूल काँग्रेस हो राष्ट्रात ऑलरेडी लोकांनी मानून घेतला. कित्याक नॅचरल लीडर टू टेक ऑन मोदी राष्ट्रभर आता लोक ममता दीदीक म्हणटात. आणि तिने ते आपले रेप्यूट जोडल्या, कष्टान जोडल्या. आणि कष्टान जोडल्या म्हणजे कितें, बेंगॉलाक ज्या परिस्थितीत तिने काम केला, कंप्लीट मशिनरी अगेन्स्ट आसून सेंटराची, लोकांचो विश्वास तिने जोडून, लोकांबरोबर काम करून तिने जी सत्ता स्थापन केल्या लोकां खातीर, ताजेर देशाक एक मेसेज गेल्या की नरेंद्र मोदी, अमित शाह आणि बीजेपीक जर घरा धाडटले जाल्यार एक विकल्प जाय, जो विकल्पाक इच्छाशक्ती आणि निर्धार आसा, आणि तो म्हणजे तृणमूल काँग्रेस आणि ममता दिदी. अशें आता लोकांक क्लियर कळून आयला. आणि त्याच आधाराचेर आमी हो विकल्प गोंयच्या लोकांसमोर दवरतात. कित्याक भाजप सरकाराक हुमटावपाची गरज आसा. हे जे गोंयांत चल्लां, ही जी अरिश्टां गोंयांत हाडल्या आणि जी संकटां ही मॅन्युफॅक्चर केल्या, ही भाजप सरकारान आपल्या रॉंग डिसिजनांनी, रॉंग पॉलिसीनी, बॅड गव्हर्नन्साच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हे सगळे कारस्थान करून गोंय व्हरून फोंडान घाला. ह्या फोंडान घाल्ले ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जर आमी रुळार हाडटले जाल्यार लोक म्हणटा बाबा एक विकल्प जाय, जो विकल्प मोदी, अमित शाह आणि बीजेपी टेक ऑन करूंक शकता. ज्या विकल्पाक ती फायर इन द बेली आहा, आणि ज्या विकल्पाक ते धाडस आहा कितेंय करून मोदी, अमित शाह, बीजेपीक भायर काडटा, कितेंय करून. तो विकल्प म्हणजे तृणमूल काँग्रेस, तो विकल्प म्हणजे ममता दिदी. गोंयांत हो विकल्प लोकांच्या आधारान, लोकां मेरेन तो वचून, लोकांचे प्रश्न सुटावे करून आमी जॉईंटली व्हरून एक बरें सरकार स्थापन करूंक शकता. आता यंग लोक आसा, तांकां अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा. रोजगार कशे येतले, इंडस्ट्रियल धोरण कितें, नॉलेज बेस्ड धोरण कशें, स्किल बेस्ड धोरण कशें, हाचेर 10 वर्सांचेर कसलोच विचार जावना. 10 वर्सांत जर तुम्ही पळयलें जाल्यार जॉब क्रिएट कशें करप, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग सेक्टर कसो वाडोवप, IT सेक्टर कसो प्रोत्साहित करप, स्किल बेस्ड जॉब्स कशे मॅन्युफॅक्चर करप, तयार करप, हाचेर 10 वर्सांत कसलोच विचार जावना. आणि हो विचार जर करतले जाल्यार निर्धार आणि एक धाडस आशिल्लें सरकार जाय. जे निर्धार आणि धाडसपणा तृणमूल काँग्रेसीक आसा, जी धाडस आमी हांगा लोकां बरोबर एकठांय काम करून आमी ही सत्ता स्थापन करूंक शकता. फॉर गोवन्स, ऑफ गोवन्स, बाय गोवन्स. आणि सरान सांगला त्या भशेन हायकमांड कल्चर ह्या पक्षांत ना. ह्या पक्षांत गोंयकार हायकमांड, गोंयान गोंयकार हायकमांड. गोंयकार जे सांगतले त्या मुद्द्यावयल्यान, त्या विचारशक्तींतल्यान आमी तांचे बरोबर संघटीत काम करून गोंय फुडें वतले. हांगा कोणूच भायल्यान कांय सांगचो ना. आणि म्हणून हांव एकूच गोंयकारांक म्हज्या उलो मारूंक सोदतां की गोंय हे सपनांतलें घडोवपाक पॉलिसीज जाय, पर्स्पेक्टिव्स जाय, धोरणात्मक दृष्टिकोन जाय, विचारशक्ती जाय आणि इच्छाशक्ती जाय. आणि हे सगळें जर करतलो जाल्यार आयच्या दिसा तृणमूल काँग्रेसी बगर पर्याय ना, ममता बॅनर्जीच्या नेतृत्वा बगर पर्याय ना. म्हणून एकूच सांगून 2 उतरां म्हजी बंद करता. ममता बॅनर्जी, ममता दिदीन बेंगॉलाक एक उलो मारलो, खेला होबे, खेला होबे म्हणून तिणे बीजेपी घरात हाडली. तशे गोंयान आमी उलो मारता कोरुया. हे कोरुया म्हणून बीजेपीक घरात हाडया. बीजेपीक जर घरात हाडटलो जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी मेळून म्हणचे पडटले कोरुया. आणि बीजेपी घरा वचपाच्या वाटेर आसा, पूण तांकां सारखे धाडून सत्ता लोकांची स्थापन करपा खातीर संघटीत जावन तृणमूल काँग्रेसीक आमी गोंयांत हाडया. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, Yatish. Any questions you would like to ask? We can go on talking. Yeah, please.
Just passing on the mic.
We have invited her. She's also very keen of coming to Goa. In fact, she loves Goa and she loves the people of Goa. Yesterday we had nearly 1.5 hour interaction. We are going through this Pitra Paksh till 7th. So till 7th we are going to observe that, and our activity of asking people to join, because last 3-4 days when we just started it, the amount of phone calls we are getting from the people, especially people from all walks of life, that they want to join Trinamool Congress. So we are just waiting for that, but we are studying. Our people are studying. The people who are doing survey, they are going round the clock all over Goa, and will definitely inform you.
How many seats you are coming?
1 minute.
Yeah, yes,
So I have two questions
Yeah.
for you. One is, you said for last 10 years there was no opposition in Goa. I think during this time you were MLA for 5 years.
4.5 years.
Yeah, and you were GPCC president. And as Congress was the opposition, I think you were very much the opposition. Why did you say that? Do you think Congress was not the opposition at that time?
I think
That is
something.
one.
Yeah. Please.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You
I
were,
think,
you
I
were the
think-
president of Congress that time.
I will tell you, I was the president of the Congress party up to 1999. When the people of Goa gave us.
No, I am talking about last 10 years.
No, last 10 years I
last
was
10
not
years.
here. In 2007,
Sir,
Congress
you were
president.
very much the president of Congress in
No,
2017.
you are slightly, I think, confused. In 2007.
2017, sir, when
One minute. 2007, Mrs. Gandhi requested me to come at the center. So till 2007, till the last assembly elections, I was requested, because the situation of the Congress was what it is today. We had hardly 7 MLAs. So I came at the time of 2017 elections. So I was not here for 10 years. That's what I wanted to tell you. I was in Delhi. I was working as a general secretary. Now, after I came over here, yes, we had Chintan. We tried to find out, whatever you are saying, why Congress had come to such a lowest ebb. Thereafter, we went around to the people, trying to find out what are the problems. We had charge sheet made, we distributed it, and finally the people blessed us with a single largest majority in 2017 elections. It was exactly 11th of March 2017. But you know the history. When I wanted to, we had that night absolute majority. When I wanted to give the letter to the governor, because he's asking this question.
We know history.
No, but he's asking 10 years. I was not here for 10 years. That is what I'm trying to tell him.
Sir, tell about that
Yeah.
last assembly.
So you understood, I was not here for 10 years. I was in Delhi for out of the 10 years, 5 years. And I came back over here. And after I was elected as a CLP leader, I refused. When they said they are going to form the government within 24 hours, I resigned from the presidentship. And of course, I maintained a dignified silence for 4.5 years, not 10 years. And more than my dignified silence and suffering was the suffering of the people of Goa, who had given their vote, their their support to the Congress party to form the government, and Congress party failed. That is the reason I maintained dignified silence for 4.5 years, not 10 years. I hope you got your dates correct.
So, see the not.
Can I just ask? I have two questions. One to Mr. Falero, the other to Derek O'Brien. So I'd start with you, Mr. Falero. You said you didn't meet any of these gentlemen. You've not met anyone. So how did you come to join the Trinamool Congress Party? Whom were you negotiating with?
I will tell you.
Let me just ask the question to Derek O'Brien before somebody else grabs the mic. Derek O'Brien, you've been critical of pro-BJP channels. How ethical is it for the TMC to use guns for hire journalists in Goa? You seem to have your very own Fox News in Goa before you even stepped here.
Can I answer your question?
Yes, please.
See, it is a fact, believe it or not. I never met. They are great leaders. They are not a great leaders of Trinamool. They are great national leaders, but I have not met them. I met IPAC. I met Mr. Prashant Kishore of IPAC. I met him just before I took the decision. We had an interaction. It was a very, very difficult decision for me to leave Congress party. But finally, I thought in the interest of Goa, interest of this country, and to defeat BJP, this is the only way for me to go forward. And even now, I'm looking forward for the help from the IPAC members. And they are not from Bengal. They are from different parts of the country. They are young people. They are all in the age group of 25, 30. And they are going everywhere, and we are getting very precious inputs from them. That is what I said. Thereafter, we will go.
Mr. Falero, you've been in Goa how many years now in politics? How come you don't have those inputs? Why are you so dependent on hired agency to give you the feedback?
No, you require. Today, politics is a science.
So many issues in Goa.
Today, politics is a science, and you have to be scientifically correct. And I think IPAC, they're wizards as far as political science is concerned.
So,
now, as far as the other question, I don't know whether you would like to reply. Okay.
so I just have one question. Could you? I don't need the mic.
Answer.
Okay, could you clarify on that audio viral which is going on, especially where they've been saying that we have spoken to church and all. Exactly किती ते?
Who has spoken to church?
एक viral audio चलतालो याचानी WhatsApp
You see,
ग्रुपाचेर.
there are a lot of people who are trying to spread misunderstanding, who are trying to tell lies, and who are trying to give fake news. You see, Trinamool Congress, if you go to Bengal, the BJP will say they are pro-Christians or pro-minorities. Here they are talking something. You see, these are all lies and canards. Please don't believe in that.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
As you have resigned from as MLA and joined Trinamool, have you been offered Rajya Sabha seat? And my second question is, we are talking so much about women empowerment.
Yeah.
Because CM herself is a woman, but we don't see any woman on your side. याच्या वेळा तुम्ही किती प्रतिनिधित्व देतले women?
Okay, very good question. As far as my journey, which started from Goa to Bengal, the journey is very, very clear. My mission is very clear. My dream is very clear. And my dream is to ensure that we remove BJP from the Goa scene and the national scene. Now, as far as your question of women empowerment, if you see my colleagues who have just gone to Bengal, we don't have a single woman there because it was done in a hurry. If you see the national scenario, the national scene, BJP has got, yes, 11% women as their representatives. Congress has got 12% women. The national average is hardly 12%. But as far as Trinamool Congress is concerned, the representation given to the women is 41%. Not 41% who has contested the elections, but 41% of the women won the elections. And Didi herself symbolizes the woman empowerment of this nation. My hats off to them. To have 41% representation elected in the country is formidable. That is what Goans are looking. Today when I am appealing the youth to come out, join Trinamool. It is a movement. I am also requesting and appealing to the women of Goa. If you want to see that the women power, women empowerment, the only route and way for you is to Trinamool Congress, because they are way, way ahead. 41% of women empowerment in Trinamool is an eloquent testimony of Trinamool's power to empower the women.
The second question was the Rajya Sabha election.
Rajya Sabha, you didn't answer sir properly.
Have you?
No, but
He had asked a very pointed
I think you must be having some agency to tell that Louison Palare is offered Rajya Sabha. Nobody has offered me anything. In fact, I have gone and asked, Didi, you please come to Goa, support us, because Goa is going through different things, and we need a credible opposition.
But he's
and that is
losing
my job.
he's losing going to Delhi again.
Will you take it if
offered?
Rajya Sabha ticket from West Bengal? Will you take it, yes or no?
Let the offer come, then I will reply you.
Will you take it offer?
No, let the offer come, then I will reply you. Whether this.
So I have a related question, and you already now you have the Goa Trinamool Congress here, and could you tell us a little bit about the structure of your party office bearers? How are you going to build your cadre? And secondly, last time you said that you will let us know whether or not you will contest the next election. So you already said you don't have a Rajya Sabha offer. So are you going to be the CM candidate? In what capacity are you going to lead the party?
Very good question. It is not me. It is my state. Then you will know, right from my childhood, I had been a fighter. I fought of Goans. I fought for statehood. I fought for official language. I fought to make 100% reservation of Goans in government employment, 80% in the private sector. I fought for the environment, protection of trees bill. I will fight as long as, and that is my motto. What I get, whether I will contest, I didn't want to contest. It is at the last moment when my workers said, if you want us to vote, you must contest at the appropriate time. But remember, Trinamool Congress is going to do a survey constituency-wise. People in those respective areas, we will have the details, and then we will decide of that constituency who will be the face for chief ministership, and we will inform you, because it will be a process through public and debates.
Could you tell us what kind of enrollment you have right now in the party? You said a lot of people are expressing interest.
Right now you can see the enrollment here in front of you, sitting on the dais. But any movement starts small. I can tell you, this movement will catch up within the next month. And you will see all the committees at the state level, at the district level, at the block level, at the booth level, and we will make sure that we fight the elections in all the 40 constituencies of Goa.
Any more leaders are joining you, sir?
Definitely. So many people have been phoning me.
Congress MLA.
No, it is not.
Could you clarify on
It is
Ajmal and
I don't
Fired?
know, you are also going with the propaganda. We are not going to ask anybody to come. We want to ask the people who are ready to fight, the BJP, please come forward, join this movement, join Trinamool Congress, so we can fight it. Whether they are coming from certain caste, creed is not my concern. Goa has been very secular. We want everybody who thinks that they can play a role in the development and progress of the state of Goa, can play a role for a change, should come and they should join us. Therefore, our slogan is New Dawn in Goa. And to part into this movement of New Dawn in Goa, I appeal to everybody, irrespective of caste and creed, irrespective of the political parties. Everybody who has got a fire in the belly to come forward, because the time is short, come forward and join this movement to take Goa ahead.
So 13 Congress MLAs have left Congress and joined BJP. So Congress said that they won't be taking TMC. Will you all be welcoming them in TMC to contest from TMC tickets?
See, TMC is a new party in Goa.
So they can take.
TMC changed the trend of IRAMs and GAIRAMs. TMC would like to see good people, preferably young people, but we will not bring the candidates from the high command. Great, and see that we get the best candidates from the grassroots level.
Lavubab, one more thing. Support kota पण आज तू हिंगा आलो. If you remember by elections, we had supported BJP candidates. Lavu Mamledar I'm talking about. So how it changed totally now?
I am telling you, you are answering your own question with your colleague has said. Are you going to take people from Congress, take people who are from different political this? Trinamool is a movement. And that movement has got, they want a change. I'm sure all of you want a change. So we would like to give a change.
Are you going to ask question or very specific whether you are going to take 10 MLAs who have
40 clean, new faces. And if there are good people, good leaders, credible leaders, we would like to have them. So that ultimately the aim and objective is to serve the people and serve the state.
Options are open. Options are open then.
What is it?
Options are open then if they are clean
No,
and
no,
all.
you are talking of this 10.
Yeah.
I'm talking of 40.
No sir, question is very specific.
So all
Sir,
40
please understand.
Yeah.
Are you going to welcome the defectors? That is the only question. Only one
Right now we are looking for new faces.
So yes or no?
All over 40 constituencies.
Are you going to go align with the like-minded parties? TMC?
No, we will go ahead all alone as Trinamool Congress.
So what is the number of seats you are targeting realistically?
Sorry?
So, number of seats.
What is the number of seats the party is targeting in Goa? And when your office will be open?
No, I have said you, we would have loved to open the office today because when I came from the airport, I wanted to go to the office and address you there. But we didn't want to do it. Not that we are this, but you know, a lot of people believe in this. Hitra, which is getting over on 7th. So you will see that.
You violated it, sir.
Who?
You joined in TMC.
No, yesterday was a very auspicious day. Very auspicious day. So we had blessings from the heavens yesterday.
Full month is inauspicious. Full month is
Okay, I think he's asked.
What is the realistic number of seats the party is really targeting?
Sorry?
Realistic number of seats in the coming elections the party is targeting like?
See, we are starting a movement, a new movement. I said it in Chodwod. This movement will, I'm sure, because we are going to the people. We are going to the doorsteps of the people.